Activating the pillar of light, also called the 1 through 10 meditation and 3 invocations. To begin, simply breathe naturally and softly into your body, your belly, your heart. 1 is fun. Imagine and feel a smile melting down the front of your body like warm oil. Melting down the front of the face, the neck, the chest, the abdomen, the hips, the quads, the calves, and the tops of the feet. Melting all stress and tension into the earth. See and feel a second smile melting down the back of your body, melting down the back of your head, your neck, the back of your heart, shoulder blades, lower back, the back of your legs, your calves, the bottoms of your feet, and into the earth. Now, see and feel a third smile melting down the center of your brain, the center of your spine, the center of your torso, your arms, your fingertips, down through the center of your hips, your legs, and your feet. Relaxing all thoughts, judgments, and feelings as this golden light flows down into the earth. Feel this melting going through every cell and every pore to the core of your bones, melting all emotional blocks and tension, allowing your mind and body to feel content, relaxed, and peaceful. 2 is Shu. Imagine and feel your feet melting into the earth like ice melting into water, and allowing this water to absorb into the soft soil beneath you. Feel a golden pool of energy around you, feeling the energy of your feet fuse with the earth. Feel the energy flow in 5 directions: forward, backward, left, right, and below. 3 is Tree. Imagine and feel yourself extending tree roots twice your body's height deep into the ground. Feel these roots expanding in 5 directions like before, securing your root, connecting and fusing with the energy of the earth. Feel these roots spiraling down through the dirt, the rocks, the crystals, and the bones of the earth. Feel the spirals going through the magma to the sun inside of the earth, the magnetic core of Mother Earth, sending your unconditional love from your heart like spheres of light down into the earth. Once you feel this deep connection, activate 4 is Core. As your roots extend deep into the core of the planet, imagine the earth energy flowing up these roots like golden rivers of light. Feel the chi ascend the back of the legs, up the spine, pouring over the head to the crown and the third eye, down the chest, and entering into your lower dantian as you exhale. As you inhale, absorbing earth energy like golden rivers, flowing up the back of the spine, and as you exhale, feel the energy pouring down and landing in the dantian, vibrating in your core. Inhaling, absorbing golden light from the earth. As you exhale, allow your core, your dantian, to vibrate. This energetic movement draws earth energy into your body and circulates it through the microcosmic orbit, up the spine and down the front of your body. Each inhale drawing in earth chi, and each exhale vibrating in your core. As the energy begins to overflow the lower dantian, 5 is alive. The earth energy builds, becomes so powerful it can no longer be contained. Imagine and feel this earth chi explode from the lower dantian, rushing up the center of your chest like a mighty river, dividing into 2 powerful streams which flow out the arms and out of each palm, filling the room and the surrounding environment with golden light. This fills the room with golden energy. Imagine it flowing out of your palms like a divine blowtorch, dynamically transforming the energetic field of the room, of the space. Six is thick. Imagine you are completely saturated in the earth's energy field, being released from both hands. See and feel that you are underwater, and each inhalation allows you to feel the pressure being placed on your body from all 6 directions. It's like you're wrapped by a cocoon of golden light on the front, the back, above, below, to the left and right sides of your body. This allows your mind to fuse your qi and your shen, or spirit, with the earth's environmental energy. As you inhale, expand the space around your arms, growing larger and larger. And as you exhale, gently bring the arms closer to your body, feeling that you become the size of a mustard seed, nearly invisible. As you inhale, feel your energy expanding, pressing on the edge of space-time in all directions. And as you exhale, feel the divine golden energy wrapping you like a cocoon. While maintaining your awareness and connection to the earth, feel a smile inside of your heart as we activate 7 is heaven. See and feel your consciousness like a sphere of light rising through the sky until you connect to the grand central sun, the center of our universe, connecting you to the consciousness of all 400 billion galaxies. Imagine your head is high within the heavens, surrounded by the infinite space of the Wuji, bathed in radiant energy of the sun. Feel the moon, the planets, the constellations. Now imagine your waist positioned in the clouds, enveloped in an ocean of white and blue, which extends throughout the horizon. Now, from above, look way down below at your feet. Imagine and feel your feet rooted and extended deep into the soil of Mother Earth, fused and solid like a redwood tree. Feel yourself suspended between heaven and earth, infinitely existing within the center of space and time. Realizing you are the bridge between heaven and earth, you are a pillar of light, allowing this energy to combine and unite within your being. 8 is gate. Now imagine that you are opening every energy gate located within each joint and pore on the surface of your tissues. As you inhale, feel the energies of heavenly qi and earthly qi absorbing into your taiji pole, your central channel. The energy of heaven and earth absorb and fill your mind, your heart, your lower dantian. Each inhale, open all your pores, all the energy gates, chakras, and meridians in your body. And as you exhale, feel your pores closing, containing this energy. Begin to feel it vibrating in your core. Feel the energy pulsing in your central channel. Inhaling, absorbing infinite energy from all directions, from the sun, from the earth, from the sky, from the stars. And as you exhale, vibrate in your central channel. Inhaling from all directions. And as you exhale, vibrate in your central channel. As you inhale, opening and strengthening your nervous system, your immune system, your glands, cells, pores, muscles, tendons, and bones. Begin to feel the room expand as you inhale. Each exhale, feel the room contract. Feel your central core vibrating and glowing like a bright, white, luminous light. It's like you're striking the tone of your soul and letting it reverberate through your cells and into the environment. Energizing your center core, harmonizing your energy and your breath. We activate your pillar of light. Inhaling, feel it building brighter, brighter, and brighter until it begins to overflow your central channel. Now as you exhale, 9 is shine. Inhaling from all directions. And as you exhale, imagine you are a star exploding in the night sky. Feel the energy piercing through your skin, extending out beyond the room, beyond the earth, connecting you to the consciousness of the universe. Your center core has become completely illuminated with white energy, with brilliant light. Each inhale absorbing energy from the earth, the sky, and the sun. Each exhale piercing time and space like a star exploding in the night sky. You are a spiritual giant, a star seed shining bright for all the universe to see. Feel this energy expanding further and further, encompassing the entire earth. Now go further, extending your consciousness out to the cosmos. Feel that you're touching the very edge of the universe, connecting to the infinite space all around you. You are a shining star. You are a divine being. You are pure consciousness, unconditional love. Breathing in infinite energy. Then as you exhale, expand your consciousness. You are now fusing the cosmic energy of heaven through your body and rooting this frequency deep into the core of Mother Earth. You are a divine antenna for light. 10 is begin. Now we begin the 3 invocations. You can say these in your mind, in your heart. The first invocation, cleansing the body temple. Inhale, raising the hands to the sky. I am that I am, calling forth my beloved God presence, I am. May the energy of the divine cleanse and purify my body, my mind, my spirit. I surrender my ego and my thoughts. May God's will be my will. I invoke the presence of the universal intelligence to prepare this body, this vessel, to be a conduit for God's unconditional love, light, and healing. Second invocation, cleansing and creating a sacred space. I am that I am. I invoke and open to the vibration of the divine to fill this space, the floor, the walls, the ceiling, and the environment. Using sword fingers like divine laser beams, creating a sacred space to practice and heal. Calling forth and tuning into the frequency of God, the frequency of oneness present in every atom and every molecule to be revealed in this moment. Calling upon the power and presence of the 7 directions, heaven, earth, and man, the guardians of light of the north, south, east, and the west. I invoke the presence of God to allow only the highest vibrations of God, of divine light into this space for the soul growth, evolution, and enlightenment of all sentient beings, my patients, my students, myself. Anything that is not in alignment with the highest good to be transmuted into pure, clear light. Now, so be it, so it is. The third invocation, overflowing with the energy of God, the energy of the universe. I am that I am, calling forth my beloved God presence, I am. I ask and invoke the divine presence to fill every cell in my body with pure light, pulling down a pillar of light to overflow the mind, the heart, and the belly. Now feeling your 3 energy centers, 7 chakras, the central channel overflow with universal presence. See and feel this radiant light overflowing all 3 energy fields, the physical, energetic, and spiritual bodies. Feel the body of your affairs fill with light as you move through life with the constant awareness of God's unconditional love expressing itself through you and as you. Begin to honor and feel the power and presence of your ancestors, the gene keys and codes of mastery that are your divine birthright being activated at a cellular and genetic level, honoring all the enlightened teachers and beings that have come before us. Feel it with your heart. I surrender to the divine and allow pure healing light to resonate within my being so that I may be of the highest service in this world for the enlightenment of all sentient beings, that I may bring love and healing to all beings I come into contact with, to all life that I meet. It is from this space that we begin our meditations, our Qigong practice, our healing practice. It is from this space that we interact with the world, with the environment. Your meditation is complete. You may continue to do whatever practice you wish at this point, or maybe you are preparing for your day. This is a perfect way to start and end your day. May you have a beautiful and blessed experience.